Let's look at how homeowners are transforming their outdoor spaces using SBI verandas and glass rooms.
Sound familiar? A garden you can't always use is a classic British problem, right?
The solution is simple. Create a sheltered outdoor space you can actually enjoy, whatever the weather.
So, what's the choice? It usually comes down to two options, a veranda or a glass garden room.
Basically, a veranda has open sides. A glass room is totally enclosed, so you can use it anytime.
But you know what tells the real story? The people who actually own them. Let's check out some reviews.
Michelle from London chose a Victorian style. She says it brought added value to her house. Amazing!
And that's the key takeaway here. These add timeless elegance and, real financial value. Max was also really pleased, mentioning the great service and, importantly, a very reasonable price too. Sally praised her installation team. They were polite, did a great job, and cleaned up afterwards. Perfect. Now Peter went for the full glass room. He said he couldn't have asked for anything more. Top quality. And see, that's the dream, right? Creating an amazing living space you can use all year long. Tony and Claire were pleased with the price, and they added remote-controlled lights for that extra wow factor. Okay, so the products are clearly great, but what's the experience of getting one actually like? Katie's review really nails it. Friendly, reliable, fair prices, and efficient work. She was thrilled. And you know what's interesting? You see these same points again and again across so many reviews. How many reviews? We're talking over 375 five-star reviews just on Google alone. That's huge. You don't get that kind of trust by accident. It's built on a clear and professional process. It starts with a simple chat and ends with a perfect installation. And they even clean up. And all of this is backed by some serious experience. We're talking 27 years, since way back in 1998. So the result isn't just a new structure. It's really a whole new way of living. It's about adding real value and, of course, that wow factor to your home. So the point is this: you're transforming that underused patio into your own year-round sanctuary. So, what possibilities could an all-weather outdoor space unlock for your home? Just imagine that.